Fine. So here what it says, example 3, find the area of the region bounded by the parabola y square is equal to 12x and the line y x is equal to 4. So what you will do, you will going to plot this particular parabola. Okay, so I am plotting this parabola. So this just a minute. So this is one, this is x-axis, this is x-axis, and this is y-axis. Okay, x dash, y dash. Now using truth table, this is x and this is y. When the value of x is 0, the value of y is also 0. So I got this particular point. When the value of x is 1, the value of y will be plus or minus 4. So the when the value of x is 1, value of y will be here, it will be plus 4, and here it will be minus 4. So I will get the curve something like that. Something like this I will going to have the curve. Then line is equal to y is equal to 4. So I will going to have line as y is equal to 4 like this. Okay, fine. Just a minute. So this is line is equal to, okay. So find the area region bounded by the curve y square is equal to 4x and the line this. It means which area I need to find. I need to find this area, this and this both area I need to find. Understood? Okay. Next, how you will do this? Fine. So now what you can do, you can give some name to these points. So this is say point P, this is O, and this point is C, and say you can call this as Q, and you need to find first area of only this region. You will going to find area of only this region, and then finally you can divide, not divide, multiply by 2 to get this entire region. Okay, so my required area will be 2 into, this is 0 and this is 4. So 0 to 4, f of x dx. What is my f of x? Okay, for that what I need to do, I will going to take a strip. I am taking a small strip here. Okay, this is the strip. This is the small strip I am taking here. Okay, now what is the length of this strip? The length of this strip is dx, and what will be this? This will be your y. So you will going to multiply y and dx. Okay, what is the value of y? The value of y over here is, it is 4 root x, 4 4 16. Okay, so it is 4 root x. 4 I is a constant I am taking out, so it will be 8, and then integration of x square is what? X to the power of 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, and then you will put the limit, that's from 0 to 4. Next, now this 2 I will take up, so 8 to the 16, 16 by 3, and then 4 I will going to substitute in place of x upper limit, so 4 to the power of 3 by 2 minus 0, so it will be 0. Now this 4 I can write as 2 square. Okay, you can write as 2 square into 3 by 2, 2 cancel, this will be 8. Okay, 8 into 16 is 128 upon 3 square units. This is the final answer. Got it? Okay, fine. So example number 4, find the area of the region bounded by the curve x square is equal to 16y, y is equal to 1, y is equal to 4, and the y-axis lying in the first quadrant. Okay, all these statements are very, very important. Okay, so first is what? First you will going to draw the diagram, which is most important. Okay, so I will going to draw this particular diagram. I will going to draw. This is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. Now x square is equal to 16y, so I will going to plot this by taking the values of x and y. So if the value of x is 0, the value of y is 0, so I got 1 point, which is this. When the value of y is 1, the value of x will be plus or minus 4. So I have got, say this is plus 4, this is minus 4, and this is 1. So I got this point and I got this point. So based on this, what I have understood, I have understood that my curve will look like this. Okay, this is how my curve will going to look. Okay, then y is equal to 1. What is y is equal to 1? This can be, this is your y is equal to 1. This particular line is your y is equal to 1. Okay, this is y is equal to 1, and then y is equal to 4. You can write, you can assume this as your y is equal to 4. Okay, so this line I will going to write here. This is the two line. Here this is 1, and here this is 4. Okay, y-axis and y-axis. So this is my y-axis. So y dash, x, and x dash lying in the first quadrant. Okay, so which area I need to find? I need to find the area which is in first quadrant only, between y is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1, and y-axis and this particular curve. So this is what is that area. Okay, so the area is what? This is what is my area. Correct. Now, where you will going to take elementary strip now? Now you will going to take elementary strip over here. Here you will going to take elementary strip. Okay, so this is what is your elementary strip. So what will be your this distance from here to here? This distance will be dy. Correct. So what will be your this area? The required area will be what? Required area will be integration 1 to 4 from here. This is lower limit, this is upper limit, and you will going to add all these small rectangles. So what is the area of this rectangle? It is x into dy. From where this x is coming, say this is y, so this will be what? This will be your x and y. Okay, like this. Okay, so this x and dy will be your area of these small rectangle, and such rectangles you will going to add from 1 to 4. What is the value of x? From here you will get the value of x. What will be that? That will be x is equal to 4 root y. So that's what you will going to write here. Instead of 1 to 4, x will be 4 root y dy. This 4 is constant, I am taking out, and then integration of root y is y to the power of 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, and then you will going to put the limit 1 to 4. This 2 will come up, 4 to the 8, so it will be 8 by 3, and then I will going to substitute the value of y as 4. So it is 2 square into 3 by 2 minus, I will going to substitute the lower limit, which is 1. That is 1 to the power of 3 by 2. So this 2 cancel. I will get 8 by 3, and 2 cube is your 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 minus 1. This is 7. What is 7 8 ja? 7 8 ja 56. So 56 upon 3 square units is the required area of this shaded portion. Fine. So your first job is to draw the diagram. So I will going to draw this ellipse diagram. So this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. Okay, let me draw like this. Now since this is an ellipse, I need to draw the ellipse. So I have drawn this ellipse like this. Okay, find the area of the ellipse. This. Fine. So what area I need to find? I need to find this area. This, and this. Okay. From the area of from the equation of ellipse, what I came to understand, I have understood this, that this particular point, okay, this particular point is what? This particular point is A, comma 0. This particular point is minus a comma 0. This particular point is b, not b, 0 comma b, and this particular point is 0 minus b, and this is 0 comma 0, which is origin. This I came to know from where? From this ellipse which we have studied. Okay, so I think you have understood this. If not, what you'll do, you can find this particular coordinate by substituting the value of y as 0. You will get the two values of x. Then again, x is equal to 0, you will going to get two values of y. Okay, like that, if you will going to have these particular what we say, these particular coordinates. Now I need to find area of this entire. So let me name this. Okay, let me name this some point. So here it is say a, not a. Let's have p, q, r, and s. So area, required area will be what? Required area will be 1 minute. What will be the required area? Just a minute. This will be closed here. This will be closed here like this. Okay. Okay. So required area, what? Required area will be this. It will be area of P, Q, R, and S, and that will be nothing but 4 into area of P, Q, O, and P. Okay, so this I will going to find how. This I will going to find integration from 0 to a. This is from 0 to a. Okay, 0 to a. Now I need to take a elementary strip where I can take here. I can take the elementary strip here. Okay, so this is what is my elementary strip. What is this distance? This is dx, and what will be this? This will be y. So it will be y into dx. Now I need to find the value of y. From where I will going to get the value of y? I will going to get the value of y from this equation of ellipse. From here I will get. Okay, so let's solve it over here. So x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. I want to find y. So what I'll do, I'll going to transpose this over here. So what I'll get y square upon b square is equal to 1 minus x square upon a square. In numerator, I have, in denominator, I have a square. So I have to multiply by a square in numerator, divided by a square in numerator. So I will get a square minus x square upon a square. This b square I will going to transpose there. So I will get y square as b square upon a square into a square minus x square. And ultimately the value of y I will get as b upon a square root of a square minus x square. This is what I will going to substitute here. So it is 4. Okay, 4. Then 0 to a. Y is my b by a square root of a square minus x square dx. Okay, now b by a is what? It is constant, so you can take this constant out. So you will get 4 b by a integration 0 to a, okay, root of a square minus x square dx. Okay, now here you have to apply the formula. What is the formula? Integration of root of a square minus x square. This formula you will going to apply. What is that formula? I am writing there. Okay, I am writing here. So 4b by a is a constant, and here the formula of integration of root of a square minus x square will come. What's that? It is x upon a root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. This is what is the formula of integration of a square minus x square. Limit you will put from 0 to a. Then 4b by a, first you will going to substitute the value of a in x. Okay, so what you will get? You will get a upon a, which is 1, and this is square root of x square minus a square, sorry, a square minus a square, which is 0. So I'm not writing that. Okay, then here you will get a square by 2. Okay, so I will write a square by 2, a square by 2 sine inverse, the value of x will be a, so a by a is 1, so it will be sine inverse of 1 minus lower limit 0. Okay, so when I substitute 0, it will become 0. Similarly here, when I substitute sine inverse of 0, this will become 0, so this entire term will become 0. So what answer I will get? I will get 4b a square upon a into 2. What is sine inverse of 1? Sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2. Okay, now you can solve this. This 1a is cancelled, this 2 to the 4 and this 4 also get cancelled, and what you get? You will get pi ab square units. Okay, this is what is the area of required shape, which is that ellipse. So this is what is the area of this particular shape, that is pi ab square units. Clear? Okay, so what is the first point? Example number 6, find the area of the region lying between the parabolas y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 4ay, where a is greater than 0. Okay, so let's plot this. So this is my x-axis and this is my y-axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. So y square is equal to 4x. I know y square is equal to 4x will come like this. Okay, this will be the curve of y square is equal to 4x. I will write here y square is equal to 4ax. What will be the equation of x square is equal to yx? It will be like this and like this. This equation will be x square is equal to 4ay. What is the next point? Next point is to find the coordinates, point of intersection of these 2 points. Okay, so this will be 0 0. What it says, find the area of the region lying between the 2 parabola. So which area I need to find? I need to find this area which lies between these 2 points. So this is 0 0. This point I have found, and to find this point, what I need to do? I need to solve this simultaneously. So for that, what you do? Just squaring on both the sides. So here you will get y to the power of 4, and here you will get 4 into a square and x square. What is this x square? This x square is nothing but 4ay. So y into y cube is equal to 4 into 4 a square, and x square you will going to write 4ay. So from here, this y and this y is getting cancelled, and here you will get y cube is equal to 4 into 4 into 4, that is 4, and a square into a is a cube. So you can write like this. So what will be the value of y? Value of y will be 4a. So if the value of y is 4a, what will be the value of x? So you can substitute the value of y is equal to 4a in this equation. Y square is equal to 4ax. Y is 4a. So you will write here 4a into 4a is equal to 4ax. This 4a get cancelled. You will get the value of x as 4a. So you have got the another point also. What is this point? This is 4a and this is again 4a. So 4a is this particular point. So now you know what? You know that you have to find this particular area. So to find this particular area, first we are going to consider this particular curve, that is y square is equal to 4x, and then you will going to consider this particular curve, that is x square is equal to 4ay. So let me first consider y square is equal to 4x as curve. So this elementary strip I will going to take. Okay, so this elementary strip, in this elementary strip, what is my dx? My dx is this. This is my dx. What will be my y? from here to here, this will be my y. What is the equation I am taking? Y square is equal to 4ax I am taking. So the required area will be what? Just a minute. Required area will be integration 0 to integration 0 to what will be that? 4a, right? It is 4a or what? 1 minute. This is, yes, this is 4a. This is your 4a. Okay, integration will be from 0 to 4a. So this will be 0 to 4a. Then my elementary strip is what? It is dx. So y dx. So I'm going to write here y into dx. What is the value of y? Value of y you can get it from this equation. Why? Because I'm considering this equation. So from here the value of y will be what? It will be 2 root a and root x, correct? So that's what I am writing here. So this will be, let me not write there, just a minute. Okay, so here I will going to write it is 0 to 4a, and the value of y was 2 root a root x dx. Mod of this I will going to find, and then minus again 0 to 4a. This time I will going to get the elementary strip of this. Okay, this is what I will going to use this time. So this will be my dx and this will be my y. Okay, now this y I will going to take from which equation? From this equation. So from this equation, what is the value of y? It is x square upon 4a. So that's what I will going to write here now. Okay, this is again y dx. Okay, minus mod. So it will be 1 upon, okay, integration 0 to 4a. Okay, then this will be your 1 upon 4a and x square dx, and then you will going to take the mod. Okay, now you will going to solve this to get the answer. So let's solve this. Now here you can see that 2 root a is common, so you have taken 2 root a common, and integration of root of x is what? It is x to the power of 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, and then you will going to put the limit from 0 to 4a. Okay, this is mod. Similarly here 1 upon 4a is constant, you have taken out. Integration of x square is x cube upon 3, and then you will going to take the limit from 0 to 4a and then mod. So when you solve this, 2 root a is constant, I have taken out. Now this x you will going to substitute 4a whole to the power of 3 by 2. Okay, divided by 3 by 2. So this 3 I will write here. 2 I am taking up, so it will become 2 square. Similarly here 1 upon 4a taken out, and this 3 is also constant, so I have taken out this 3 also, and then x cube. So instead of x I will going to write 4a the whole cube minus 0. Okay, so minus 0 no need to write. So this is what we need to solve further. So you will observe that this is 2 to the 4. Okay, 4. Now 4 by 3, and this will be your this will be 4 to the power of 3 by 2. This will be a to the power of 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 minus, again here it will be 4 cube upon 3 into 4a, and this will be a cube. So here 1a and 1a will get cancelled, and then this will be 2 square. So 2 square 4 by 3 into 2 square into 3 by 2. This 2 cancel. Here I am getting a to the power of 4 by 2, which is nothing but a square. Okay, minus this 4 and this 4 is getting cancelled. So I will get 4 4 is 16 divided by 3 and this a square. So this is what I got. Next is what? Next is you can take a square as common. Okay, a square as common you can take. Then what we'll get here, this is 4 and this is 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. So you will going to write 8 divided by 3 minus 16 by 3. Here again you can take common. What you can take common? 16 you can take common. 16 by 3 you can take common easily. So 4 4 ja 16. So here it will be 2. Here it will be 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So answer will be your 16 a square upon 3 square units. This will be your required answer. Got it? Okay, seventh one, what it says, find the area of the region bounded by the curve y is equal to x square and the line y is equal to 4. So what is the first job? First job is to draw the diagram. Okay, we need to plot this particular diagram. So this will be my x-axis, x dash. This will be my y-axis, y and y dash. Area region bounded by y is equal to x square. So y is equal to x square will come like this. This will be the curve y is equal to x square. Why I wrote like this? Because this is y. What is the power of y? It is 1. So it will be along the y-axis. What is the power of x? It is square 2. So it will come on positive as well as negative. Then line y is equal to 4. Where is line is equal to 4? Say this is your line is equal to 4. Okay, y is equal to 4 is your line. This is your 4. This will be your 4. So how you will going to take your elementary strip? You will going to take your elementary strip. Okay, first of all, which area you need to find? I will going to find the area region bounded by the curve y square is equal to x square, which is this, and the line y is equal to 4. Okay, and of course, okay, line y. So I need to find this area plus this area. This two area I need to find. This is clear, right? So so what will be this point and what will be your this point? Here y is equal to 0 and equation of this curve is y is equal to x square. So I will going to write y is equal to 4 this and y is equal to x square. So I will going to solve this simultaneously. I will get the value of x as plus or minus 2. So this particular point will be what? X will be 2, y will be 4, and here the point will be x will be your minus 2 and y will be 4. But I will going to take the limits as y is equal to 0 here and y is equal to 4 here, and first I will going to find area of only this portion and then I will going to multiply by 2. So elementary strip, how I will going to take? I will take elementary strip like this. This is what is the elementary strip I will going to take. Okay, so if I'm taking this as elementary strip, so this is what is the area I am looking for. All right, so this distance will be what? This distance will be your dy. So your required area will be what? It will be 2 into integration from 0 to 4. It means y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4. This is my dy. So I have taken dy and this distance is x. So I will going to multiply by x. What is my x from this equation? From this equation, okay, from this equation, the x is root y. So I will going to write 2, 0 to 4, x is root y, and then this will be dy. So 2 is the constant. What is the integration of root y? It is y to the power of 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, and then you will put the limit from 0 to 4. Now substitute the value of 4 here. So, okay, let me first take this constant out. 2 to the 4, so this will be 4 by 3, and then substitute the value of y as 4 here. So 4 is 2 square into 3 by 2 minus 0. This 2 cancel. I will get 2 cube, which is 8. So 4 into 8 divided by 3. What is 4 into 8? 32. So 32 divided by 3 square units is the required answer. Clear? Example. So we have next example number 8. Find the area of the sector bounded by the circle x square plus y square is equal to 16. So what we're going to have, let's first plot this to understand how this will look like. Okay, so let me start with the x-axis. So this is my x-axis. Okay, and this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis. This is x, this is x, this is x dash, this is y, and this is y dash. And then you have what? Area of the sector bounded by the circle. So we have to draw circle. Let's draw circle. So this is what is the circle we have drawn. Okay, so it says that find the area of the sector bounded by the circle this, and the line y is equal to x. So what will be, how the line y will be, y is equal to x will look like? Slope is 1. So it will be like this. It will be like this. The equation of the line y is equal to x will be like this. Okay, so let me write this. So this line is your y is equal to x, and this equation of this circle is y square plus x square is equal to 16. So what will be the radius? Radius will be 4. So this point will be 4 comma 0, this point will be minus 4 comma 0, this point will be 0 minus 4, and this point will be 0 comma 4. Okay, then find the area bounded by the circle this, and the line this. Okay, so what is the area I need to find? I need to find this area. Okay, so we cannot find this area directly. Why? Because here you have two curve. One is a straight line, second is circle. So I have to divide this into two part. So let me divide this into two part. I will going to divide from here like this. Okay, so this will be my first part. Okay, this will be my first part, and this will be my second part, and I will going to add these two part to get the final answer. Okay, so what will be, okay, first for that, then what is the next point? Plotting is done. The next point is what? Next point is you have to find the coordinates of this point, coordinates of this point, and also coordinate of this point. This coordinate we have already found. This is origin, so it has to be 0 0. And how we'll find this? We have to solve this simultaneously. So when I will going to solve this simultaneously, these two equation, y is equal to x, so I am writing is x square. So here it will be 2x square is equal to 16. Dividing by 2, divided by 2, 2 cancel, 2 1 ja, 2 8 ja. So value of x will be plus or minus square root of 8. So this square root of 8 means what? It is 2 root 2 plus or minus 2 root 2. So here in first quadrant, I will going to have the value of x is only 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2. Similarly, y coordinate will also be 2 root 2 only. Why? Because y is equal to x is the equation of the line. Okay, now my required area will be what? Required area, this required area will be this first part and this is second part. So this first part plus second part will be my required area. So first is, okay, what is this coordinate? This coordinate is 2 root 2 comma 0. So here I will going to have integration from 0 to 2 root 2, and this elementary strip which I have taken here, this is the elementary strip which I have taken now. So what is this elementary strip? It is dx. So I will going to write here dx, and then this is y, so I will going to write here y. So what is the value of y? The value of y of this equation is what? Y is equal to x. So next I will going to write 0 to 2 root 2 x dx. What is the integration of x? It is x square by 2, and the limit will be from 0 to 2 root 2. Substitute the value of 2 root 2 in x, so you will get 2 root 2 the whole square upon 2. So what is the answer? 2 into 4 upon 2, 2 cancel, you will get 4. Correct. So this is what is the 1 minute 2 to the 4 and 2. Correct. So this is what you will get 4. Now, what is the area of this second part. This is only the first part. Huh? This is the first part. This is the first part which I have calculated. Now second part I will going to calculate here. Second part I will going to calculate here. This second part says what? It goes from 2 root 2 to 4. Okay, it goes from 2 root 2 to 4. Just a minute. So integration 2 root 2 to 4. What is this particular elementary strip I will going to take here? The elementary strip which I will going to take here will be this. Okay, it's not getting proper. 1 minute. This is the elementary strip I am taking. So this is your dx. So I will going to write y dx. What is the value of y from here? The value of y will be y is equal to square root of 16 minus x square. So this I will going to write 2 root 2 by 2 4. Then y will be square root of 16 minus x square dx. Okay, so here we need to know the formula of square root of a square. So 2 root 2 4, you should know the formula of a square, that is 4 square minus x square dx. What is that formula? It is x by 2. So I will write x by 2. Okay, x by 2 is square root of whatever is there here. So it is what? 16 minus x square plus a square by 2. What is a square? A square is 4 square. 4 square by 2. Then sine inverse of x by a. This is x. What is a? A is 4. This formula is most important. You have to remember this formula. Okay. Now, limit you need to put, right? After taking the formula of applying, after applying the formula of integration, you have to put the limit 2 root 2 and then 4. So first you will going to substitute the value of 4 over here. So when you substitute the value of 4 over here, this becomes square root of 16 minus 4 square, which is 16. This is 0. So this will become 0. And then here 2 1 ja 2 and this 4 square. Na? So I will write 4 into 4. 2 2 ja 4. So 4 2 ja 8. So this will become your 8. 8 and then sine inverse of 1. What is sine inverse of 1? Sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2. So it will be 8 into pi by 2. Okay, upper limit is done. So this is what is your upper limit minus I am going to put lower limit. 2 root 2. So I will write here 2 root 2 upon 2. Then square root of 16 minus 2 root 2 the whole square. 2 root 2 the whole square is what? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. So 8 I can write as 8. I can square root of 8. I can write as 2 root 2. Okay. Then plus this is again 2 root 2. So this will be your 4 to the 8. This will be 8 and this will be sine inverse 2 root 2 upon 4. Okay, this 2 1 ja 2 2 ja root 2 root 2. So this becomes what? This becomes your sine inverse of 1 by root 2. So let me write this again. So this will be 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. So this will be 4 pi, and this is minus 2 1 ja, this 2 2 cancel, and 2 to the 4. This will become 4 plus 8, and then this is sine inverse of 1 by root 2. This will become sine inverse of 1 by root 2. So this is 4 pi minus 4 minus 8. Sine inverse of 1 by root 2 is what? Sine 45. So this will be pi by 4. Okay. So next step will be 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So 4 pi minus 2 pi is only 2 pi. 2 pi minus 4. Okay, this is what I am getting second part. But my required area is what? My required area is first part plus second part both. What is the answer of first part? The answer of first part was 4. So I am going to write here 4. What is the answer of second part? that is 2 pi minus 4. So this 4 and 4 is getting cancelled. I will get a final answer as 2 pi square units. This is the final answer. Understood?